Okay, we got 1 broken fence, 2 broken fences, 3 broken fences. So we've got our wood for this project, and we bought a lot of cedar planks. Cedar smells great. Here, scratch and sniff. Okay, I know you can't smell it, but it smells really nice. Good hardwood. Now, I could have bought redwood. Redwood would have been twice as expensive, so instead I bought cedar and redwood stain. So if you've been watching any of these home improvement with Mr. O, we're gonna have to give you a proper safety. This is definitely not the way to work with wood, so let's gear up and then we'll be set to go. Steel-toed combat boots, very dirty clothes, safety gloves, safety glasses, hearing protection, sunscreen, pencil to measure, because we're going to start sawing. Let's get to it. Magic, huh? Well, not really magic, a lot of hard work, but still, smells great. We'll get to staining soon. Okay, so now we're done. We've got not 1, not 2, but 3 beautiful fences ready for the Arizona heat and then that monsoon rain that follows. So what did we learn here? Measure twice and cut once. So we're really careful before we apply that cut and put that saw in, because you can't grow the wood back once you cut it unless you plant a tree. We also learned that if you're gonna mess with paint or stain, you're gonna get messy. Don't worry, I didn't get hurt here. It's not blood, it's just paint. Mr. O was not harmed in the production of this video. And third, we might be here longer than we anticipated. So we gotta think a season or 2 ahead and think, what stuff should we do now if we're still doing some social distancing? So, speaking of social distancing, from a safe social distance, this is Mr. O, your substitute teacher. Keep calm, get go on.